Welcome back, fellow explorers, to Fun Facts About Finland, your ultimate guide to uncovering the captivating wonders of this Nordic gem. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey through Turku, the former capital of Finland, where we'll dive into the rich history, breathtaking views, and quirky surprises that makes Turku truly one of a kind. So grab your sense of curiosity and let's dive right in. Beer lovers visiting Turku must make a stop at Turku Brewery, housed in a historic schoolhouse in the city center. For 25 years, Turku has been crafting high-quality beers and ciders. As Finland's largest brewery restaurant, Turku offers a diverse selection of locally brewed beers, including unique seasonal varieties. On weekdays, you can observe the beer master at work in the brewing area, enjoy their delicious brews on site or to go. For beer and cider enthusiasts looking to expand their knowledge, Turku provides training and tasting sessions, including wine tastings. If you seek a delightful experience with local brews in a one-of-a-kind setting, Turku Brewery is a must-visit destination. At the Cow, only the freshest ingredients are used to handcraft their own liqueurs and syrups, resulting in impressive and unique drinks. Whether you prefer a classic cocktail or something adventurous, their skilled bartenders can cater to your taste. Each drink bursts with flavor, offering a delightful twist. For expertly crafted cocktails in a stylish and inviting ambience, head to the Cow and savor their delicious made-from-scratch drinks. For craft beer enthusiasts, Turku Brewery is a must-visit spot in Turku. Established in 2018 by three passionate friends, the brewery takes pride in using top-quality ingredients for their small-batch brews. Their stylish taproom reflects their commitment to simple and effortless design, providing a cozy and inviting atmosphere to savor their delicious beers. Whether you prefer a crisp lager or a hoppy IPA, their handcrafted brews are sure to please. With a touch of humor and a welcoming vibe, Turku Brewery offers visitors a homey experience while enjoying some of Turku's finest beers. Discover a beer lover's haven at Turku's Cosmic Comic Cafe. With 180-plus beers and 30 ciders, it offers one of the city's largest craft selections. What's unique is its focus on Finnish beers, from local to remote breweries. The relaxed atmosphere is ideal for savoring a cold drink. Whether a serious beer aficionado or keen to sample the best brews, Cosmic Comic Cafe is a must-visit. Sarah Sto Barry is a vibrant hub for both university students and locals seeking a lively night out in Turku. This bar and nightclub boasts an energetic ambience, budget-friendly drinks, and a spacious dance floor. Their extensive drinks menu features a variety of beers and cocktails, making it a perfect choice for a fun night. Hosting DJ events and offering ample dance space, Sarah Sto Barry is a central hotspot for dancing enthusiasts. For an affordable and exciting night on the town, Sarah Sto Barry is the ultimate destination. Experience the perfect blend of beer and billiards at Brewery. Their signature break ale and a rotating selection of monthly beers and specialty cocktails cater to all tastes. From families to university students, couples to seniors, Brewery welcomes a diverse clientele. With multiple pool and snooker tables, including unique options, it's Turku's go-to spot for billiards. Novices and experts alike will find their place here. The international ambience at Brewery ensures a welcoming atmosphere, making language barriers a non-issue. Join the billiard culture and enjoy a refreshing break ale at Brewery. And that wraps up this episode on the series. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the unique wonders of Turku. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned to the next episode.